obstruction in your airways happening during sleep that leads to apnea or cessation or slowing down of the airflow going into your lungs. Our airways here are not solid pipes. They're a bunch of muscles wrapped around each other, especially the upper part of the airways, and they are stabilized by nerve signals coming from the brain and keeping those muscles open. During certain stages of sleep, these muscles are toneless, or they lose their tone. Just like you lose tone in your limbs, in your arms and legs, these muscles lose tone. The way lungs breathe, they generate a negative pressure. So they suck the air in from the environment. It's just like a paper straw. You take a paper straw and you suck fluid quickly and forcefully. The paper straw impinges, it becomes narrow. When your airways are narrowing down, you produce sound called snoring. So most of the snoring is coming from here, not from here. And then when they completely close, you actually no airflow into your lungs.